Hey babes, welcome to my channel where I share products, tips, tricks, techniques, and we talk about all things hair and makeup. Today I am super excited to do an unboxing with you. I haven't opened this yet, so I have no patience and can't even wait. This box is from TestTube. This is my second TestTube I've gotten. So I am definitely new to it, but I'm really enjoying my last box and can't even wait to see what's in this one. It is from New Beauty. In addition to this box, which I'm telling you, it's a pretty hefty box. It's the biggest beauty box that I subscribe to. You also get their beauty report, Beauty Launchpad magazine. And when I got this in the mail, I was like, oh my gosh, this magazine gets me. Which might be a little dramatic to say, but I'm telling you, it gets me. And when I saw this and I saw that inner corner highlight, I was like, ooh, I love that it's pearly and has bluish purple undertones and brings out the color of her eyes. I really just geeked out and I was like, I haven't even made it past the cover. I've snuck through this one. It's really good. It talks about a lot of cool stuff and we'll get to that. But this subscription box is $29.95. And the value inside here is retailed to be $210. So I cannot wait to find out what type of high-end goodies are in this box. So here we go. I can't open it. I might butcher some names because I don't know all these products. So just forgive me. Okay, the first thing I saw had watermelons on it. Energizing Aqua Bomb, lightweight, oil-free, gel cream, refreshes and moisturizes. Oily to combination, normal, even sensitive. It is from Pure Lease. I think that's how you say it. So in every single test tube, there is a little rack card, and in it, it tells you what each product, kind of a quick synopsis on it. So I'm gonna just tell you a little bit about this product based on what the rack card says. It's lightweight, oil-free gel cream that instantly refreshes, hydrates, and soothes. It also has cucumber to soothe inflammation and firm, dull skin. Ooh, so fancy. This eyelash curler is Battington Lash Curler. That's who makes it. And they say it's a high-quality lash curler that lengthens and volumizes the look of lashes. It is a full-size product and it is $16. I really love that this is gold and black and looks really sleek and kind of sophisticated and elegant. The one that I have in my professional makeup kit right now, that's the only place I ever use one of these. I don't use them on myself, but I do use them in my pro kit. If there is a client who is adamant about curling their lashes before I do a set of strip fake lashes, I will go ahead and sanitize this and then let them use it and then sanitize it again. I don't actually do this on someone. That's a really scary thing to have someone else do for you. I will be putting this in my pro kit and taking out the other one I have just purely based on how cute it is. So you can't blame me for that. All right, let's see what else is in here. Woo, this is Ovation Cell Therapy Hair and Scalp Treatment for thicker, stronger, longer hair. I think you could say this to any girl asking if they want thicker, longer, stronger hair, and you'd be like, yes. So great marketing, everyone's on board. So this is the full-size product, and it retails for $56.95. Holy cow, that's luxury in a bottle, I guess. It is packed with proteins, vitamins, and botanical extracts. This is a step that they recommend using in between your shampoo, then this, then their conditioner. So it is part of a regimen that they recommend using 2 to 3 times a week. All right, let's look again. This is the box that keeps giving. This is Luminex? See, I told you I was gonna mispronounce everything. Oral Essentials Medically Developed Whitening Kit, minutes to whiter teeth without the sensitivity. Patent pending formula, so this is new, of coconut oil, sage oil, and lemon peel oil to whiten teeth without the sensitivity. So no harsh chemicals. Must have ingredients: coconut oil to naturally whiten teeth without damaging enamel. Dead sea salt is rich in minerals and low in sodium to deliver dozens of beneficial minerals like calcium to your teeth. 3 treatments plus a mouthwash and a toothpaste. Guys, that's so cool. So it looks to me like it is a similar setup as the Crest weight strips. It does have the little band that is the upper and the lower. It tells you to leave it on your teeth, 30 minutes, rinse it. I think that's rinse it. And then apparently you're wearing glossy black lipstick and your teeth are amazing. I haven't done like a teeth whitening like regimen or setup in like years. I'm gonna give it a go. I'm kind of excited about it. I will let you guys know if I get whiter teeth. All right, we're going back in the box. I have been wanting to try this brand, Kojin Dew, I believe, and it is their cleansing spa water makeup wipe removers. Let's just open this. Guys, it stresses me out because it feels like Christmas and then I want to know what's inside and I can't open it. So they just smell clean. I was ready for this like beautiful scent and they just smell clean. So that's okay too. It contains natural herbal essences using some natural spa water with a fancy name. Begins with an L and a Z, and I don't know how to make those sounds go together. So let me tell you a little bit of the information that they give you about the cleansing wipes. Must-have ingredient is the 6 essential herbs, rosemary, sage, lavender to balance and nurture skin. I love all of those things, so great. It tells you that it's one cloth, and it did look like a cloth. I saw that. It looked less like one of just like the papery makeup wipe removers. It did look like a higher end cloth. You guys, this is a full size item and it's $17 just for this one pack. I would consider this like a travel size rather than the full size that I keep in my bathroom and take my makeup off every day. I don't normally pay $17 for one of like the big ones. Just to have this, and I think it's a travel size. This is full size and I'm just going to feel really freaking good. Thank you so much, New Beauty. I needed all of this. So we're going back in the box, finding some more goodies. I'm like halfway done. Like, there's so much good stuff in here. Okay, so I have tried this before and I really, really like it. I have gotten a little tiny, babyest little sample size. I think, and it was like a Birchbox or an Ipsy. Open, open, open. I open. There's literally a tab that says open. Open. I'm yelling at it. I'm like, open. It's like right here, calm down. Oh, this is so freaking perfect. So I can't even tell you, the one that I got for a sample size, it was the smallest little sample size. It was probably like just this big right here. And I remember taking it with me on a camping trip. And I had spent like the day at the lake, we were hiking all day, and then the evening set in and my face was feeling dry and I was feeling dehydrated. I was like, I have this little like moisture sample, and I put it all over, and I remember feeling like it was the most nourishing thing that my skin had ever felt. And it was like putting kind of like a heavy balm like all over your face. It was amazing, and I like savored, because a little bit goes a very long way. I am so excited about this. If you guys haven't tried this, I recommend doing it if you have dry skin. Also, it's really good to put over your hands. As a hairstylist, my hands are in chemicals a lot, and my hands are in water constantly. Like, my hands are always in wet hair, in the shampoo bowl, working through color. And so this just feels so good on like just really dry, really chapped skin. I might even put this in my locker at work. Let's see what the rack card has to say. This product is $16. You can find it at ub.com. This is a full size product. So it's just, do you see why this box is amazing, you guys? You get all these products, some you've heard of and you know and you're excited about, and some you've never even heard of before, but they end up being like $57 for a bottle, and you're like, well, sure, I'll try that out. So this just like is a powerhouse of moisture, and I think if you have any dry skin, eczema, this might feel really nice on. To say I'm excited about this being in here is an understatement. So excited. All right, diving back in. We have Grande Stay Put Invisible Lip Liner. We're gonna go to the card for a couple quick facts about it. It's an invisible retractable lip liner that prevents your favorite colors from bleeding or smudging. Must-have ingredient is castor seed oil, hydrates lips for a more even lipstick application. It's a universal liner that works with glosses, mattes, paints, and nourishing formulas. Line and define with the only one lip liner you'll ever need. That's a bold statement, telling me I'm never gonna need another lip liner after this. Like, I'm gonna give it a go, but I've got some pretty favorite lip liners. One thing I am excited about receiving this is that the fall and winter seem to bring a more like darker lip, and I absolutely love that. Ooh, this is gold and feels really, really like luxurious and like kind of heavy. I think this is going to be really, really awesome for the winter months with a little bit more of like a deeper, darker lip color, because you can just outline your lips and then with this clear hydrating one, and then put your lipstick over it, and you're not going to have any issues with bleeding. So this is actually going to go into my professional kit. I do have the Urban Decay one, and I think it's great. However, this is just so pretty that I want all of my brides and my clients and everybody to see this and feel special when they have something gold rubbed all over their face. So this is awesome, and I'm super excited about it. Alrighty, the box has given us, really? It's Wander Beauty. It's the Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. I have been wanting to try these. They're literally gold. Individually packaged gold foil eye masks to brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. Experience 3 innovative layers of luxury. Oh my gosh. The gold foil helps retain heat and prevent evaporation of product, allowing the maximum amount of serum to penetrate the skin. Oh my gosh, you guys, there's 3 of them in here. I'm so excited about these. I cannot wait to do these. If you want to feel pampered, I always say do a sheet mask and maybe light a candle, read a book, just like really, really find time to relax. If you want to feel fancy, do a like charcoal mask and maybe a deep condition, you know, kind of draw a bath and sit in the hot water and like let the steam work with the charcoal mask. If you want to feel ridiculously luxurious beyond all reason, like you're Beyonce, use gold under eye masks. So let's check out and see what we have to say about these. So their solution is a brightening and calming eye mask to resolve puffy and dark under eye areas. So luxurious under eye mask designed to hydrate, brighten dark circles, and reverse puffiness in minutes. This is not a full size. The full size is a pack of 6, and this is a pack of 3, and the pack of 3 is $25. It'd be $50 for a pack of 6 for under eye masks. Okay, we have one final product, and it has just been looking up at me from the bottom of the box like I'm the biggest thing and you can't wait to get down here. So here we go. Oh. I don't even know what it is, but it feels so nice. Copper and green. It's a jojoba body buff. This, you know how the NARS packaging feels when it's kind of like matte feeling and I don't know, soft and flat and matte? Those good descriptive words? That's how this box feels. And this is a full-size product and it retails for $25. It smells refreshing and clean, but like perfumed, like elegant clean. Is that a scent? Elegant clean? Like high-end perfume? I don't know. It smells so good. So this is a body buff. It does have jojoba in it. I have done clients when I'm doing their makeup and they have let me know that they are allergic to jojoba. I mean, it's not that common, but it's a common enough one that I am remembering that a lot of people have allergies to this. So if you do, I'm sorry. This packaging I think is so beautiful. This is a body buff. This is like an in-shower exfoliator. I can't wait to use it. It does say to use it on wet skin, gently massage and buff all over your skin, and then rinse off. It does have a lot of different seed oils in here, so I think that's probably why it's so moisturizing. I think tonight I am going to have to do a face mask, right? Do an under eye gold face mask, whiten my teeth, have a bath where I use this Copper and Crane body buff, maybe give my hair a treatment. I mean, you guys, this is the best. I feel so like satisfied with what I got. Sometimes in these boxes you get stuff and you're like, and other times you get stuff in these boxes and you're like, oh my gosh, I have gold eye masks. So in addition to all of those amazing items, you also get the Beauty Report magazine. This is Fall's Best Beauty. It's so good. If you're a product lover or you're interested in learning more about product, where I'm at, like there's so many products and it's hard to know all of them, and it's hard to buy certain ones if you're not sure, like, should I invest that much money on an item that I don't know too much about? So in here, it talks about all of these different products, like this rose quartz comb. Oh my gosh, I have to have that. There is an all natural deodorant that is in rose that I just think is super intriguing. Also, there is this Glossier mascara. I've heard of this foundation being really, really awesome. That's the Derma Blend. And that's just one page. Like, it keeps on happening. And I think it's just such a great way to learn about products that maybe you didn't know about. There are just so many amazing products in different categories where they tell you, like, these are the top 8 finalists in this category. And I think if you're trying to find a product and you're like, I need a foundation, and I'm curious if they'll have my shade, and I'm curious in which line is the best for me. Like, this is so good.